What's up everybody? This is a really quick video on how to turn off or reset that maintenance required light on your dashboard. So this maintenance light will pop up as a gentle reminder to change your oil, but if you've already changed your oil, you probably want the light turned off. I'm going to be working on my wife's Lexus, but this process could be applied to any Toyota, Lexus, or Scion, anybody underneath the Toyota Motor Corporation. It's a really quick process. The only thing you're going to need is your keys. Let's get to it.
Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is put your key in the ignition, then flip that key to the on position. Once key is in on position, locate your odometer button. Sometimes this is in the glass of your dash. In my case, it's to the left of the steering wheel and marked with an ODO/trip label. Okay, now take a look at your odometer. You want your odometer to read ODO, so if it's saying trip, press that odometer button until it's reading ODO. Once ODO is displayed, you'll want to hold down your odometer button, then turn the key to the off position. Wait a few seconds, then turn the key back to the run position. You do this all while still holding down that odometer button. Okay, now it's time to just be patient. Keep holding that odometer button. Your car will do a series of pings and dings, and then finally, bam, your maintenance light will turn off. Once your maintenance required light has turned off, you're all set. That's the whole process. It's going to turn back on in about 5,000 miles, reminding you to change your oil. So make sure you get your oil changed or change it yourself. And that's it.
Like I said, super easy process. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.